Okay, as the initial step, you can simply go to start menu, go to power option, tap on restart. This will fix the most of the issues. So then after, once you are restart your computer, you can check your Wi-Fi connection. Check you are properly connected with your Wi-Fi connection and is the internet connection is available with that network. Once it is done, you can go further steps. So then go to start menu again, go to setting. Under the system section, go to storage like this. There is option for temporary files, just select that one. You can see temporary files related on your computer. You can tick these unnecessary files like this. If there is no needed, then after tap on remove files. Again go back and scroll down and go to cleanup recommendations. So these are the recommended cleanup application Windows recommending. You can select all things. If you don't need, then after tap on cleanup this size. Again go to start menu and setting. Under the system section, scroll down and come to troubleshoot option. Tap on other troubleshooters. Scroll down and find Windows Update. It is right here. Just tap on run. Once it is identified, you can see the error related with your update, so you can try to fix that one. So then after, go to search bar again, type cmd, right click on it, tap on run as administrator like this. Now you need to type each these of command one by one. First you need to type net stop wuauserv. Hit enter. Once it is done, you can again type net stop bits. Hit enter. Now you need to start that one, net start wuauserv. Hit enter. Finally net start bits. Hit enter and restart your computer. Once it is done, close this one. Go to search bar, search for run. Tap on it. In here you need to type msconfig like this. Hit enter. Go to the services tab. Tick on hide all microservices. Then after, go to startup tab again. Tap on open task manager. Disable all the enabled one in the status section. Tick on disable like this. Once it is done, tap on OK. If you are using third-party antivirus software, temporarily disable that one and then try to update again. And again go to search bar, type cmd again. Right click on it and tap and run as administrator. This time you need to type sfc space / scannow. Hit enter. Once it is done, you need to type DISM online cleanup image RestoreHealth and hit enter. Then after, restart your computer. If it is not working, you can manually download that update by just go to Google and search Microsoft Update Catalog. Select the first option. In this search bar, you can type the KB number that is related with that update. As an example, KB 123 kind of thing. So you can see all the updates are here. So you can specifically find your KB number and search it from here. You can download this from here and you can download install it. If those are not working, you have to go to start menu and setting again. Under system section, scroll down and come to recovery option. Tap on reset PC. Tap on keep my files and it will reset your computer. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.